I said, "Good morning, Mrs. Cow," but all she said was moo. Moo, 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 what a sound. Moo, 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 all around. Big brown cow just chewing away, saying moo to start the day. One day I saw a woolly lamb. I followed it quite far. I said, "Good morning, little lamb," but all it said was bah! Moo, 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 what a sound. Moo, 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 all around. The little lamb just walked away, saying bah to start the day. One day I saw a dappled horse cropping in the hay. I said, "Good morning, horse," of course, but all it said was